Xiaomi took the lead in introducing the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset with its Civi 4 Pro smartphone. Today marks another milestone as Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi unveils its latest offering equipped with the same powerful SoC in the Chinese market, the Redmi Turbo 3, initiating the Turbo series for Redmi. While the Civi 4 Pro targets the premium mid-range segment with a price tag of over $400, the Redmi Turbo 3 comes in significantly lower at a starting price of under $300, making it undoubtedly the most potent contender in its price range. In terms of design, the Redmi Turbo 3 sports a distinctive aesthetic, although it maintains some elements from the Redmi Note series. Notably, the back features two prominent circular camera modules, accompanied by a ring LED flash. The device boasts a flat frame and display, constructed from polycarbonate, with a thickness of 7.8 mm and weighing 179 g. The front of the phone is safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus and boasts IP64 certification along with stereo speakers. Notably absent is the 3.5 mm headphone jack. The device flaunts a 6.67-inch 5K OLED display, capable of up to 120 Hz refresh rate and peaking at 2400 nits brightness. Supporting HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, the display offers a remarkable 12-bit color depth, complemented by features like DC dimming and 1920 Hz PWM dimming. Powering the Redmi Turbo 3 is the groundbreaking Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, crafted using the 4nm process and featuring an octa-core CPU with a Prime Cortex-X 4-core. Remarkably, the SoC surpasses 1.7 million points on the Antutu benchmark, setting a new benchmark for mid-range smartphones. The device also packs LPDDR5X RAM with UFS 4.0 storage for smooth performance. Fueling the device is a sizable 5000 mAh battery with support for 90W fast charging. In terms of cameras, the specifications appear average on paper, with a 50 megapixels Sony LIT600 primary sensor with OIS, an 8 megapixels ultrawide lens at the rear, and a 20 megapixels selfie shooter. Video recording capabilities include 4K at up to 60 FPS for the rear camera and 1080p at 60 FPS for the front camera. Redmi Turbo 3 operates on HyperOS based on Android 14 and offers consumers a choice of 3 color variants. Pricing ranges from $276 to $387, catering to different budget preferences. That's it for today. Stay tuned for further unboxing videos like this, and remember to subscribe to Bytes for the latest news. Until next time.